When is the right time to use really unique specialty formats like this rolling knot fold? And what's a pre-enjoyed die? I'm glad you asked. Hey, it's Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. Today, I have a really unique specialty fold to share with you. It's called a rolling knot. And you've probably never seen one before. It's just that special. And sometimes you want to try something exciting like this, but the time and exploration and production cost involved can shut down your creativity and send you back to your design comfort zone. But this week's super cool fold broke that pattern in a spectacular way. How'd they do it? They asked their printer for options. Gradient Insurance Brokerage reached out to Jim Benedict and the gang at OnPoint for creative ideas for a 3-part mailing that would promote a special summit they were hosting in Arizona called Gradient Summit. There was an announcement mailing, an invitation, and finally this piece, which would hold the schedule and some final details to consider before the event. They wanted something stylish and unusual, but they asked Jim if he had any ideas. Well, Jim and his team brought them samples of creative formats they've done in the past, and this one stood out. And since they had produced this format in the past, they could provide the production template, and they had the metal die already on hand. Yep, a pre-enjoyed die. The design team at Gradient was able to jump right into designing the piece on the provided template, and they skipped the time and cost of having a die made just for this project. So let's take a closer look at this rolling knot fold. The design of this format has a really unique angled cover that could even hold a light insert. The back cover has the reverse angle. This piece mailed in a bold and bright 6x6 square cosmic orange envelope, so there's no mailing panel on the back. It opens up to a letter from the founders on the left and info about how to download the mobile app for the event on the right. There's a bidirectional reveal up and down, which makes a great shape, and then it twists open one more time. You can see how it feels like it's rolling. There's the schedule on one side, flip it over, and there's all of the travel, attire, and Wi-Fi information too. One of the best things about this format is that it's really just a long rectangle with a series of scores. The value here is that you can likely get several up on a press sheet. Uniquely shaped specialty formats often don't nest or gang well on a sheet, with some designs fitting only one per sheet, which can really increase your paper costs and can be worth it, but that's not the issue with this design. These were digitally printed on an HP Indigo 12,000 on GPA, 110-pound uncoated cover, and then letterpress scored and hand-folded. They did about 250 of these for registered attendees. The rolling knot was a great choice for this particular purpose, an exciting informational brochure before an event. These are also great for invitations and announcements where there's not a lot of copy and where the content can be read in any order. If you'd like to see another variation of the rolling knot that finishes into a more mail-friendly rectangular proportion, check out episode 345. A very special thanks to OnPoint and Gradient Insurance Brokerage for sharing this solution with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.